Let's talk about one of the biggest industrial challenges we're facing right now.
Right now, Europe is trying to do something huge, completely transform its steel industry.
You see, steel is everywhere, but it's got a massive climate problem.
Steelmaking is responsible for a whopping 8% of all global greenhouse gas emissions.
That's because most of it is still made in old-school coal-fired blast furnaces.
So how do you fix that? Well, two main ideas are really taking off.
Path number one is pretty simple. Swap out all that dirty coal for clean hydrogen. The leading tech for this is called H2DRI. It just makes pure iron and water.
And path number two, it's all about supercharged recycling, melting down old scrap steel. Now, both of these new methods run on clean electricity, using something called an electric arc furnace.
This is turning old scrap into a super valuable resource. The competition is heating up.
To keep up, Europe might need around 730 new companies just to handle the scrap.
Okay, so the tech is ready, but here's the catch. It's all about the cost. By 2030, green steel from the Middle East could be way cheaper, like 17% cheaper.
So why the price difference? It boils down to Europe's higher energy and hydrogen costs.
And you know what? Policies in other countries are making that energy gap even wider.
Just look at the investment needed. We're talking 30 billion euros for Europe's projects alone. So, this isn't just about the climate anymore. It's a full-blown global competition.
And while Europe has a lot of projects planned, it is definitely not the only player.
The US, China, and the Middle East are all making some really big strategic moves.
Take America's Inflation Reduction Act. It could pull a lot of investment away from Europe. Meanwhile, China is ramping up its own green steel projects to stay on top.
All of this brings us to one final, absolutely critical question for the future.
This is the challenge that's really going to define global manufacturing for the next decade.